Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
Yo, this is Thomas Anderson from Disassembly, and today I'm unboxing and installing the Pyrodrone CNCed gimbals from aluminium to upgrade the Tango 2. This is the second time I'm opening the Tango, and here we go. The whole process took me about 25 minutes. Nobody's gonna watch 25 minutes of me fiddling around. So what I'll do, I'll speed up to the important points with the points of interest. There's three main parts. There's the disassembly, there's the swapping gimbals, and then assembly again and finalizing the controller. So to the first part, we wanna disassemble the controller. Only advice what I can give here is use a bucket where you can put in your screws so you won't lose them and you don't have to sort them when you're assembling again. So let's go, take it out. So when it's completely uncovered, you want to remove the battery. Make sure you're not just pulling it but twist it a little. Remove the plugs. And now we can start removing all the screws. You could actually leave the gimbals in, but I'm gonna remove all the screws in once. Once you do that, you're gonna gently turn it over. You can actually unhook the radio, but I'm not gonna because it's gonna save me time. And make sure when you're taking out your old gimbals, you look at it and in which position they are, where the tension is, so you know you have the left and the right gimbal in the right position. Put them back on, just make 2 screws, flip it over, fill it completely. And now we have the controller set again. Now, last but not least, switch the gimbal heads, and now we're all set to go. And here's some sexy montage of the Pyrodrone CNC gimbal. And I can tell you from my personal feel now, it feels very locked in. I very like the ticking sound when you actually... It's definitely a luxurious upgrade, but if you can afford it, you should get it. It's really nice.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.